Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to give you a brief update on how my Japanese theme garden is getting on. As you can see, it has a lot of weed, a lot of overgrown plants that needed attention. So I've been taking a small portion of the garden and working on it before moving on to the next one. And I've been spending a couple of 2 or 3 hours to just sort out one section before moving on to the next section, which I think has kind of helped me to speed up and also to see the progress of what I'm doing. So I'll advise to do that if you're a beginner when it comes to gardening. As you can see here, there is a lot of weed, there's a lot of plants that have grown so much on this section. So I went ahead and tackled this section and got rid of those plants which are really everywhere and kind of tidied the area to look a little bit representable and also to be able to see what's in there. Then the following day, I moved to this side. As you can see, also my hydrangea being choked by this plant. I don't know actually what they're called, but I have so many of them that they're everywhere. So I just needed to get rid of some of them and also to leave some breathing room for my hydrangea. As you can see, this is how it looks. I'll still need to go back and dig up all the roots because there was so many of them I didn't get a chance to clear up all the roots. And then I'll move on to this section. As you can see, there's also weeds, there's also God knows what's in there. So I just needed to give it a good clean and make it presentable. And this is how it looks after I've cleared up some of this section before moving on to the next section. So this is another section that I need to clear, the one on the farther right. It has a lot of weed, a lot of stuff that really need tidying up. So after work my magic on it, and this is how it looks. A little bit representable, still some work to be done, but there's always room for improvement. So yeah, I'm well pleased the way it's looking so far. And then this is the other side that really stressed me out. There was these plants, I think they're called honeysuckles. They were dried up and they were so long and they had so much rubbish. By the way, there's a bench around there, so it's all covered by the plants, so that needed to be cleared out. And as you can see, after hours of toiling, it looks representable. I mean, it took me so much time to clear this place. At one point I was about to give up, but I just had to keep on going because the end result was going to be worth it. And this is the other side that I needed to clear. It has a lot of rocks and weeds that needed tidying up. Yeah, so far this is where I'm up to with my gardening update, and I think I kind of like the progress, but I still have to do some other bits and pieces to be able to finish this area and also to add some more plants. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.